In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an extension on TurboTax. If you need a little more time to complete your tax return, TurboTax makes it fairly simple to request an extension right from inside the platform. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get started quickly and confidently. Once you're logged into TurboTax and you're on your main tax return screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click Help. This is where TurboTax keeps search tools, support articles, and guided options for common tasks. If you're not sure where to begin, this is the easiest place to start because it helps you find the right feature without having to dig through menus. After opening the Help section, click into the search area and type extension. Keep your search simple so TurboTax can show the most relevant results. This should bring up support topics related to filing deadlines and extension options. If you see several results, don't worry, that's normal. You're just looking for the one specifically related to filing an extension. From the search results, click Filing Extension. This will take you to the TurboTax guidance for requesting more time to file your return. This is the key step because it directs you to the correct part of the system instead of accidentally opening a general help article or an unrelated filing topic. Once you are on that page, click Start Easy Extension. After that, just follow the prompts on the screen. TurboTax will walk you through the extension process step by step, so take your time and read each screen carefully before moving on. In most cases, the process is straightforward and the platform is designed to help you complete it without much guesswork. One important thing to keep in mind is that a filing extension gives you more time to submit your tax return, but it does not automatically give you more time to pay any taxes you may owe. So if TurboTax asks for estimated payment information, make sure you review that carefully and enter the most accurate information you can. Before you submit anything, double check the detail shown on the final screens to make sure everything looks correct. That extra moment of review can help you avoid mistakes and make the process smoother. And that's it. That's how to file an extension on TurboTax using the built-in help feature and the easy extension option.